Hello everybody, I'm Matthew Kessi. I'm a practical mystic, which means I spend a lot of time doing things like this, laying on the ground, looking up to the sky, experiencing different parks, like this one here in Seattle, Washington Park Arboretum. And all of this work helps me quiet my mind, manage my emotions for better outcomes, and trust my intuitions more. Now, you might understand the benefit of meditation, but maybe you can't find time to do that in the daytime, or maybe it's a daunting task, the concept of meditation or contemplation. But I'm here to show you some simple and easy ways that you can make a connection to the natural world in the ways that can help you. Essentially, meditation. When we feel like we belong in nature, when we can see our belonging, or when we can see our connection, is the moment we start a meditation of sorts. And I invite you to join me for the next 3 minutes as we work with this tree here in the Arboretum. Oftentimes in our Arboretum, we look at the beautiful leaves and the flowers and all those things from a certain perspective, usually looking straight on at something. And what I want to do today is offer you a different perspective of the tree that's above me. And we're going to spend some time looking up at the tree from underneath. And oftentimes we can see things in nature that resonate within us, whether that's subconscious or not. What I invite you to do is join me in looking at the underside of you, and whatever that might mean. What's deeper within you? Maybe something that people don't see right off the bat. And as you're working with this tree, just imagine that you're opening up and you're just discovering that. You have curiosity. What is a different perspective of you that isn't seen by people in daily life? And just sit with that. Be curious. There's no right or wrong way to do this. There's nothing that has to come of this. It's just a moment for you to connect with this tree and to connect with yourself.